everybody, it's your friend Epic Legend. Today we're gonna be playing Danger Ball again. Last time we played Tornado, Nitro and Machine. So today we're going to be doing Twins. Easy mode, because medium mode will be too hard for me because I'm not the best at Danger Ball. Okay, let's start it then. Let's see who will win. Me or the twins? Let's see. Come on. Okay, I know. Just start. Let's go. 1v1. 2-1-0. 0-0. Who will get the first point? Me or them? They always have something special. Like twins are two people. Tornado has a super attack. Nitro is very fast but small. He's probably the easiest one. And they just got a point. Because it's harder to talk while playing than you think. It's very hard to talk while playing. And while playing good, actually. You also have to play good. If you're playing bad, you're just playing bad. It's hard to play good and talk at the same time. It's just hard. Now it's 1-1 right now. So I really want to get a point ahead of them. But they got the first point. So maybe they're gonna. Then I don't know. But they might even get the second point if they got the first point. I mean the third point. I got the second point. Oh my god, why is the ball so fast? Finally! Someone scored a goal. The ball was going so fast. The ball was going like 20 miles per hour. That doesn't sound that fast, but for a ball that's very fast. No, the ball was literally making a car sound. The ball made a car sound. That's how fast it was going. That's how fast I was going. I was making a car sound. It's 2-2. We both have 2. And now I want to change that by having 3. And I did change that by having 3 points. Why don't you give me your 2 points? That'll just be very helpful. I'll have 5 points, you'll have 0. That'll be amazing. If you could just give me your points. Let's go. Stop bouncing the ball. You know it's very hard to predict where the ball is gonna go. So stop bouncing. And I'm okay with the ball just staying at the floor level. I'm okay with that. No, you're making the ball bounce. You do not want to make. All of the floor is almost gone. Almost all the floor. Let's go. I've double your points. Now what? I've double your points. It's 4-2 right now. I've double your points. Let's go. Boom. Hit you. Stop protecting the ball. The ball has to go inside. You don't have to protect the ball. Let's go. And I win. I have more than double your point. It is 5-2. Okay, let's go. Now we will play the other one. Which one? I forgot his name. We'll do Colossus. He's a big wall, but you can destroy his wall. It's not like the machine where you just have to get lucky. He moves fast, like he moves at normal speed, but you can break his big wall. So it's gonna be like a slow game because you can break his big wall. Because you have to break all of those pieces. But they aren't as much as they look. They look a lot, but they aren't as much. One. Okay. Why didn't you do one? I was playing this before, and then at the beginning he broke his own piece at the beginning. But this time he did not, because he is intelligent. He's not that intelligent, but he did not break his own piece. That is smart. Oh my god, I literally just created a hole and then the ball went through that. Look, he literally just broke all of it. He broke his whole shield. Not all of it, but he broke a part of his shield. That's just dumb. If you could break the middle part, this would be so much easier. If you could break the middle part of his ball, that would be so much easier. Come on, I need to get a 5-0. No, you scored a point. I broke literally half of your thing. Half of your big square in one round. Why is the whole battlefield broken? And why are the axes on the wall? Stop breaking your own thing. That's helpful, but that's just dumb. You're just low IQ. Well, I am playing easy mode. If this was hard mode, he probably wouldn't even break a single one himself. This is easy mode. That's why he's breaking his own wall. Stop hitting the ball. That's just not good. Stop hitting it. Why is the ball not bouncing? I want the ball to bounce. Not when I don't want him to make the ball bounce. I want myself to make the ball bounce. Because if he makes the ball bounce, he'll get a point, and I don't want that. Stop! There's only you only have one thing. I've almost break. All of your shield is gone. What are you gonna do? All of your shield is gone. Oh, you're gonna score a point. Okay. I broke all of your shield. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Nothing? Okay. You're gonna do nothing. Because I have a bigger thing than you, I think. I'm pretty sure my square is bigger than you because all of your shield is gone. You have no shield. You have no hope. If I am being bad, then you do have hope. Let's go. If you had a shield right there, you would have been blocked. But no, I broke your shield because you are not good enough. Let's go. Hit that. Hit that. I did not do a super attack because I was scared I was gonna miss. The ball was literally gonna through my square thing. I was playing and then I literally tried to do a super attack, but my ball went through my square thing. And I have double your points, like twins. Twins had double, twins points, more than double. I had 5, they had 2. That's more than double. It's pretty good. Now I'm in the same situation. I need 1 point, you need 3 points. Just give me one of your points. That'll be very good. Stop scoring. Let's go. 5-2. I win. Colossus, you cannot beat me. Let's go. Okay, the next episode. The next opponent. Buzzsaw. Easy. Why is the ball literally turning into a saw? The ball literally turned into a saw. Look at that. The ball was literally turning into a circular saw. A sphere saw. That's not even a thing, a sphere saw. But the indoor ball is turning into a sphere saw. That's a circle saw. There is nothing called a sphere saw. Why is the ball trying to become a sphere saw? Sphere saw. Why are there saws around me? That's not. Your little goal is a whole saw. What are you doing? No! Let's go. You just made the ball bounce. I made it bounce back, and that's where my point. That's where I point. And that's where I scored a point. Your ball was going through the ground. I'm 2-0. I'm like a lot more than double because the double of 0 will always be 0. The double, triple, quadruple of 0 will always be 0. So I have like a lot more than double. And I have 3-0. Are we gonna beat Buzzsaw 5-0? No, we aren't. No! Oh my god! You jinxed me. I just got jinxed. I said I'm gonna beat you 5-0 and then you just scored a point. Like 5 seconds later. Oh my god. Okay. That's why if you're doing well, never say something. Just never say that you're gonna do more well because you're gonna do a lot worse. Stop making the ball go like that. I need to score a point. Stop blocking the ball from going in. There are literally so many holes. Finally! Give me your 1 point. I'll have 5 because I have 4 right now. And 4 plus 1 is 5. That's the world's easiest math. Oh my god, why did you score a point? I could have scored a point, but you scored a point. Let's go. I thought I was gonna lose. I thought you was gonna score a point over there. Okay. This is gonna be 5-2 like everything else. Like all of the other things which are beat 5-2. This is gonna be no stop. This will not be 5-2 if you hit. If you just keep doing that. You need 2 points. I need 1. Stop. I was doing so good before. What happened? You turned hard mode on. You literally, okay, that was, okay. I won 5-3. You needed 2 points. So guys, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification and comment down below what game you want me to play. And stick around for the next video because we have a good surprise for you.